Welcome back to my scalp maxing series. Guys, we killed it today off of just 2 accounts. Now, one thing is this morning, I said I'm gonna only trade 2 accounts today. I'm not gonna trade all 5. Man, had I decided not to do that decision, I would have been up fat today. But we're only $700 times 2 accounts, which is $1,400. So we're up $1,400 today off just 2 accounts. Now, I scalped the F out of today. I super scalped it. I had probably about 8 trades going on today. So it was a major tug of war, going back and forth, in and out of profits. But as you guys can see, which I'm gonna show you guys all the trades that I took here, the last trade, look at the last trade. The last trade that I took that I'm about to show you guys here, insane numbers, just ran. Now, with all that being said, let's watch this video and then we'll recap it at the end and talk about it. At one point we was down pretty bad, but we managed to recover. But we're gonna end it here. Max scalping series every single day, posted on YouTube, Kick, Twitter. We even go live every morning in the Discord, first thing in the morning. And today we just scalp maxing series. That's the whole point of this. Every single day, trading all day. And the reason why we're doing this scalp maxing series is because actually day trading, waiting hours for my one and done trade setup is what I like to do personally. But when I'm out here live trading, waiting for my one and done setup, it takes hours. Nobody wants to watch that. So here we are, super fast, super in and out. This is high risk trading because it's super quick, super fast, and essentially you're trading one-to-ones, essentially. So hope you guys enjoyed these kind of videos, and every single day we're gonna post them. Catch you guys on the next one.